Well, hey guys, you join me today and I'm following Connor. We're both in Triumph Spitfires and we're heading off towards the Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway, where hopefully we're going to go behind a nice steam engine all the way along the line and have a little exploration. We've just had a nice meal at Jilt's Garage Cafe, a firm favourite of mine, but yeah, it should be a nice day of classic cars and historic steam engines. Well, we're here in Toddington and the weather hasn't been too kind to us, so it's been soft tops up all the way, but we're here in classics and that's the main thing. So let's see what's going on around the railway. So we're here in the car park of Toddington Station. We left it a few minutes, didn't we there, mate? Yeah. Just to let the rain go away. We've got the DMU in front of us, which we're about to just go get some train tickets and go on and enjoy a nice day out.
It's just to be a good afternoon.
Well, yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice sunny afternoon at the Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway. Well, here we are on the DMU and Connor over here.
Hello.
Quite excited. He was telling me that he's been going on this train since he was a little boy.
Yeah. Very true, yeah. I remember riding this as a kid.
Yeah. So we've got the yard over here. Where are we at? Toddington, aren't we?
Yeah, we're at Toddington Station.
There are the Spitfires. They probably just about make them out on camera. Of course, we've got the engine shed coming up here too. So there's a boiler over there. Probably a little bit small on camera, but yeah. I'm loving this. I love going out on trains. There's just something relaxing and magical about it. Well, we've just been to Cheltenham Racecourse. There weren't really a lot to see, so we're just heading back down the line and we're going to get on to Dinmore Manor and have a look around the carriage and wagon shed. So here at Winchcombe Station and in the Royal Mail carriage we've got loads of model railways. Tom's tank engine. So we'll race them along. There goes Thomas. Oh, that's alright. Load of Engage. A nice little A4 Pacific. To me, like Engage is the perfect size really, because you can get so much in for the space. And a nice double O gauge railway. It'd be lovely to have a nice big model railway like this at home somewhere. Of course, the size of double O, it does take up a lot of room. But what a lovely place to have a model railway in a carriage. So next to the model railway carriage is the Discovery carriage, which, as we see as we go in, is all about the history of the Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway, where it all started and where it's all going to. So there's a nice little board here explaining the history of it, where when it was still a current line, when it closed, as it opened up as a historic railway, and moving forward. And then over here is a beautiful little model of Toddington, and they've got some of the locomotives like P&O and the 2800 and the Manor class, which are at the line at the moment, all on the model railway. Nice little board there of the Great Western Railway, the history. And then just going through the carriage, there's lots of interesting bits of information. A nice little map of the original line, heading from Cheltenham Racecourse all the way to where we are at the moment at Winchcombe, Toddington, over the bridge, and up to Broadway, where currently the line ends. Well, unfortunately the carriage and wagon department is closed, so we can't actually look round it, but hopefully on the train journey past we'll get a bit of a view on the camera of just some of the carriages and wagons outside. Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway behind Dinmore Manor and the DMU, and of course what a beautiful sight behind as well, our Spitfires. Now without a doubt the Manor class has to be my favourite type of locomotive. I just think they're well proportioned. They were never the greatest of engine in British Railway, but I just think they're a well proportioned engine. And Dinmore Manor was the first of the British Railway batch of manors built. Absolute beauty, that. So there's a little bit down here, which is the railway shed, which we're just having a quick look around. There's a nicely restored Class 47 behind us, and let's see what other engines they've got. Well, there's a nice little look here around the engine shed. We can't actually get into it today, which is a bit of a shame, but there's 4 Mark Hall in front of us and a peak locomotive, and of course a nice selection of wagons. Well, that's the Gloucestershire and Warwickshire Railway, and yeah, really enjoyed my day out today with Connor. It's just been fantastic taking the classic cars out to go see some historic steam engines and have a nice car up and down the line. But as always guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.